Hi, I'm Veena Crownholm. Welcome to My Sweet Digs. Before you come in and grab a cup of tea and kick off your shoes, subscribe below. Come on in. I currently live in Los Angeles. We're originally from the Bay Area. And I am a former Miss California, first Indian to walk on the Miss America stage back in my day. I am now a mom of two, a lifestyle expert, and a content creator. We own this house. We got a great deal 5 years ago, but we always look for homes that need a little love brought back into it. So we've really built a lot of equity into this house. We've done built-in bookshelves. We've redone the whole kitchen so that it flows really, really well, and it feels like the spaces work and they feel very modern. And we love it here. We absolutely love it here. All right, today, because I have a newborn, we're taking Max with us on this home tour. One of the coolest parts about this house when we looked at it 5 years ago was all of this really cool woodwork. You'll see Tiffany glass. You'll see inspiration from churches that have come from around the world. The house was formerly owned by Vincent Ward. He was the director of What Dreams May Come and The Last Samurai. This is our fifth house that my husband and I have renovated together. And this has been our biggest project that we've done so far. But this house has so much cool charm. And we're gonna go upstairs and I'll show you where we really live. What I really love is this custom spiral staircase. It really marries the top floor to the bottom floor in such a cool and unique way. I'm gonna take you on a tour of my combined laundry room and kitchen. Now we're getting to the part where I really love this. When you're not using the washer and dryer, there's drawers that slide out and it's like they're not even there. And then I have all of my laundry supplies, air fresheners, sunscreens, it all pulls out and it's just so neat and tidy and I love it. I love to cook and I love to entertain, and so the kitchen has been a huge part of what we've renovated about this space. We've opened up a wall, we have all new appliances that just work really, really well. Everything was thought of for like modern day living in the 2000s. I love anything that makes life easier. So what I love about this refrigerator is that you just put your foot right here and it opens hands-free. Now we're gonna move on to the ultimate COVID purchase. This beauty right here has been on my wish list for forever. It is the KitchenAid mixer, but I got it refurbished because it's so much more budget friendly and it comes with a 2-year warranty. And this little baby over here has made hundreds of loaves of bread and I love her. She's like my new best friend. Let's go check out the living room. What I love is that this is more of like a great room space. And if there's one thing I've learned over the years is one really awesome design tip. Bring one color from your last room into the next. So you can see a huge theme of blue coming in from the front door all the way through here into the kitchen. You know what else I absolutely love is another one of my pandemic purchases, which is the iRobot Roomba. Not only is it really fun for Max to watch it go around the house, it's Wi-Fi enabled, it has an app to schedule cleanings, and it gets underneath all the spots where I can't get all the dog hair. Not to mention it's also round, so it's really safe around the baby, and he has a lot of fun watching it. Let's see him do it. You know, I've always been really big on being budget friendly, and it's actually what helps us continue to build equity as a family in everything that we do. And so I love eBay's like refurbished program for just that, which means I get really quality products, name brand products with a warranty for a fraction of the price. And so it just helps me keep in my budget that way. All right, Max, was that fun or was that fun? Now we're on to another cool part of our house. When we were designing this breakfast bar, we really wanted to bring in the elements of where we live. And so this wood is actually from the Hollywood Bowl. They're old seats and it's awesome. And we just paired it with a great wrought iron bar stool. Let's go check out the bedrooms. All right, we're actually gonna go check out Max's room right now. We actually made a built-in over here for the dresser, some shelf space, and space to put a changing pad. And I love keeping it a little bit more neutral, so this makes it feel light and bright in here. Let's go check out the master. So what I absolutely love in here is the stained glass closet doors. Now they used to be wood colored, so we painted them white so that the room felt taller. Another huge design element that we have here is living plants. It just makes everything tie together from being outside inside. There's great sunlight. And then we actually took out the door over here and we added in a reclaimed sliding barnwood door, just again, to maximize space into the bathroom. All right, the baby's asleep, so we're gonna go check on my husband who built this COVID man cave. So let's go. Hey babe, what are you doing?
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, I've got a sleeping baby.
Oh, hey little baby.
Are you gaming?
Yeah,
working?
I'm just playing around, pretending to work.
That sounds good, I'll let you be. During quarantine, we really realized that we needed a space outdoors that worked for our family. So we actually ripped out the grass and we put in artificial turf, and then we bought an outdoor couch and really made a space outside that felt good. We spend so much time out here now, and it's just been such a beautiful space to be. We got a great deal on this home about 5 years ago, and in that time, we've renovated this entire space. We really love where we live. You know, we've had another child, we adopted a dog during COVID, and we really think this is quite possibly one of the very best places in Los Angeles to be when you're safer at home. Thanks for checking out My Sweet Digs today. Like and subscribe up here, and you can watch more videos by clicking right here.